Alright, we're off on our trip today. Got about 5.5 hours before we get to our destination. So we're not going to record the whole trip. Alright, check back with you later. We're about 30 miles or so away from our destination. Traffic has gotten a little bit heavier since when we first left this morning, but we're probably about 50 miles north of New York City, so that's to be expected. Anyways, we'll check back in later. All right, so we've made an addition to our family. This is a 1929 Willys Whippet Model 96A. I picked it up yesterday, and as you can tell, it runs. Took a little bit to get it going only because the battery was dead, but I took the battery out of the Falcon Knight and was charging it, put it in the Whippet, and it's all set, ready to go. So it has a little bit of knock to it. Might be a lifter issue. You can see there's two kids already ready to go. I don't have it registered or insured yet, so it's not leaving the property. But yeah, it's all set. This one's is road ready for the most part. I got to do some checking on the engine. So see here, the interior is in pretty good shape. It has been refurbished. So right now it's charging the battery. I figure we'll take it for a drive up and down the driveway just to see how it does. Maybe pull it up closer to the house and let it run for a little bit just to get it charged up. So we'll hop in and take a ride. All right, Billy, you're on camera duty. Hold it up there. What, Liliana?
When they go by. No one look.
Yeah, I can see you back there, Lana.
They had the windows open, so they would have heard.
What?
Oh, yeah.
That would be terrible. Alright folks, that's our first drive in the Willys Whippet.